Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about Sigma 85mm. I think that a lot of you guys already heard about this lens, and I think that a lot of you are dreaming about this lens, maybe as I was dreaming. But let's go to the point. It's 85mm f1.4 lens. We can see that it has 77mm filter thread, so it's typical portrait lens. And I was testing it in a real world. I was just chilling in a hood in a neighborhood with Laura, and we all just decided to make some photo shoot. So it wasn't organized too much. It was just walk around and making some shots with this lens. And what I have to tell about this lens, from the very beginning I can tell that it's great lens. It's amazingly sharp from the f1.4. Maybe you will not see this very clearly when I'm showing these shots, but at the end of the video I will show you that, oh, look at that nice guy. We have got cats around, and they were very interested with the camera. I was recording it with a smartphone, so they were very interested in this lens with the camera. And at the end I will show you how sharp it is, and I have nothing to complain about this lens. In this lens you have autofocus and manual focus switch on the side, which you could see at the beginning. You have also autofocus lock button. You have one customized button, and nice guy. You don't have image stabilization in this lens, but I don't think if you need it very much if you're buying this lens clearly for portrait photography. And now look at this nice picture, a lot of background blur. So if you like bokeh, I think that this lens is for you. And as you can see, we are just chilling in the park, nothing special. And look at this, very sharp images, nice color. I have to tell that there was a little bit of editing in here, but not too much. I wasn't retouching these shots, just a little bit of colors, but straight from the camera. The colors are great, the sharpness is great also, a lot of bokeh, plenty of bokeh. It's also very nice image. I was testing this lens with Sony ZV-10, so you have to keep in mind that it's a crop factor in here, so it's about 127mm equivalent of a full frame, so we have a little bit of crop. So also the bokeh, you've got less bokeh in the background, but I still think that it's great. And now we will see a little bit of bigger frame, but now we will see how the autofocus works in here. And autofocus was working very well. I was watching the display in my camera, and it was almost all the time on the eye, even if she was wearing glasses. There was a few moments, like 1-2 moments, when autofocus lost point, but it was immediately fine. So at least very nice autofocus performance in this coming in and coming out situation. And we have to realize that it's not stabilized lens, so we've got now a lot of shakiness, but as you can see in this contrast situation we've got almost nothing in terms of chromatic aberration, so it's also a very huge point to this lens. Right now we are checking autofocus in a photo mode. It's very fast, convenient and on point, so nothing to complain about autofocus. And right now in a video mode, a little bit slowly. My camera was set on the fastest autofocus possible, but it's still not so fast, but in general this performance was very good. Sometimes a little bit of problem with finding the spot, but nothing big. And from f1.4 is crazy sharp, just look at this, so there is nothing to you can say wrong about this lens. f1.8 a little bit less of bokeh in here. f2.8 also very sharp, a little bit of bokeh less, and f4 the image is still looking very good. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope that you will like, subscribe and comment below. See ya. Thank you guys.